Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use secure Wi-Fi on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So secure Wi-Fi protects your data from cyber attacks, providing an environment where Galaxy users can use Wi-Fi networking with confidence. So let me show you how to turn on secure Wi-Fi on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, then tap on settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find security and privacy. And now here you want to go ahead and scroll down and find more security settings. From here, find secure Wi-Fi. So this is a paid service. However, they do give you a 1 gig plan for free every month. So this is your 1 gig plan free with your Samsung S25 Ultra. And now once you're ready to protect your Wi-Fi, which you're connected to, just tap on protect. And now your Wi-Fi is protected using the secure Wi-Fi feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that's how to use a secure Wi-Fi feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.